Welcome to Narayana online digital classes. Today we are going to solve trigonometric equations by using graphs and some other problem. Let us move to the first question. Number of solutions of the equation sin x equal to step x. Step denotes the greatest integer function. Now we have to find the number of solutions. Let us discuss about the step x definition. Now f(x) equal to, I am taking step x. Now I define this one. When n less than or equal to x less than n plus 1, where n belongs to z. N less than or equal to x less than n plus 1, n belongs to z. That is implies step x value we are taking n only. This is the definition. Now I will give some examples. Step 1 is equal to 1, step 0 is equal to 0. Now step 1.3, step 1.3 means it lies between 1 to 2. So n and n plus 1, you compare n we are taking, that is what step 1.3 is 1 only. Now step 0.6, nothing but lies between 0 to 1, n equal to 0. So we are taking what is that? 0 only. Now step minus 2.3, minus 2.3 is nothing but lies between minus 2 and minus 3. N and n plus 1, if you compare, n should be minus 3, n plus 1 is minus 2. So that's what this is nothing but minus 3. Like this you can write the step values only. By that also you can plot the points in the graph and also you can make out that one. Here sin x equal to step x. We will take two things, y equal to sin x is one graph, y equal to step x is another graph. Now y equal to sin x is one graph, other graph is y equal to step x only. Now once you check this one, sin x graph you know very well, sin x graph here 0 is there. Once you observe that one, here you will get that is nothing but 1. Now here you will get that is minus 1. Here you will get that is 1. Here you will get minus 1. Now once you check this one, pi by 2 means you will get 3.1416 sorry, 3.1416 by 2, 1.5 something you will get. 1.5 something means somewhere here you will get that one. Once you check this one, sin 90 equal to 1, sin 90 equal to 1, step 1.5, step 1.5 something is also what you will get 1, there it is intersecting only. One intersection you are getting. So number of solutions in this one, while making the two graph, number of solutions is nothing but number of point of intersection only. So here we got one intersection we are getting. Sin 0 is 0 and step 0 is also 0 only, sin 0 0. Here we are getting another point of intersection. Let us come to this point only. Here minus pi by 2, here you will get minus pi by 2, somewhere we are approximately we are taking minus pi by 2, that is minus 1.5 something only. Sin of minus pi by 2, that is nothing but here we are getting minus 1 only, but here while taking step of minus 1 point something, if you consider like that, what you will get, it is not minus 1. Step of minus 1.5 something like that, what you will get, step minus 1.5 is nothing but minus 2 you will get. So it is not intersecting. So that's what the number of intersections, once you observe that one, here only, here only. So number of solutions. Now solutions are nothing but how many are there? Only two solutions we are getting. Now once you observe that one, first option 1, second option 2, third option 0, fourth option infinite. So the two solutions, this is the correct answer. So you have to learn the parent graphs very well, then only it is very simple to draw the graphs in the trigonometric equation. Parent graphs means you should know y equal to x, y equal to x square, y equal to mod x, and y equal to sin x, y equal to cos x, y equal to tan x, all the parent graph, these are called parent graph. Parent graphs are nothing but standard graphs only. You should learn the standard graph. Drawing standard graphs you should learn. By that easily you can convey these problems on. Let us move to the next question. Number of solutions of sin x equal to x by 10. You know parent graph, sin x graph very well. Now x by 10. Now I will write that one, two functions, y equal to sin x is one function and another function, what is that, y equal to x by 10. Just you observe that one. The range of sin x, what is that? So range of sin x minus 1 less than or equal to sin x less than or equal to 1. But sin x equal to x by 10 means what you will get? So sin x replaced by x by 10 only, minus 1 less than or equal to x by 10 less than or equal to 1. Now solving this inequation means 10, you can move to this side and that side also, minus 10 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 10 only. Minus 10 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 10 only. Now x lies between where to where? Here minus 10 to 10. Let us draw the graph only. Now once you check this one. You observe this graph only. Y equal to x by 10. Y equal to x by 10 is nothing but a straight line you will get. Y equal to mx, it is passing through the origin only. Now you know very well sin x graph like that. We took here, see, minus 3 pi plus 3 pi, more than that also we took, here also more than that. This is x axis, y axis, okay na? This is x dash and y dash, this is origin only. Now you observe that one. You know very well y equal to sin x graph, very well sin x graph. Now maximum value you are getting 1 only, minimum value you are getting minus 1 only. So sin x range is minus 1 less than or equal to sin x is less than or equal to 1 only. Now you observe that one, minus 10, if you take, see, minus 3 pi is nothing but minus 9 point something. After that only you will get minus 10 only. Now once you check this one, minus 10 by 10, that is nothing but minus 1 you will get. Minus 10 by 10 minus 1, here only you are getting like that. Now 10 by 10 is nothing but what is that? That is 1. Here if you observe that one, here 1 you will get. Now you have to plot all the points. Plotting is not necessary in this one. Draw the sin x graph. After that minus 10 by 10 minus 1 here and 0 here and also 10 by 10 here. That is exactly straight line only. Draw the straight line directly passing through the origin. Draw the straight line directly passing, it should be passing through origin. Why? Because it is y equal to mx only. Now only 3 points we are taking, that is minus 10, plus 10 and 0. Draw the graph where that line intersecting, that intersecting points are nothing but number of solutions only. Now once you check this one, here 1 point, here 1 point, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sin x and that line intersecting how many points? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So number of solutions are nothing but 7 only. Now I am writing that one, solutions are nothing but how many are there? That are 7 only. Now once you observe that one, number of solutions of sin x equal to x by 10, 2, 4, 7, 0. Clearly you are taking that. So into mark is also there in this graph. Once you check this one, they are said to be point of intersections only. Now you observe that one, by that the number of solutions are nothing but 7 only. That is the right answer. Let us move to the next question. The number of solutions of the equation 2 power cos x equal to mod sin x in closed interval minus 2 pi to 2 pi. Now I will take again the same thing only, two functions. If you are getting that y equal to, one thing is nothing but modulus of sin x is one thing, y equal to modulus, sorry, that is only 2 power cos x only, y equal to 2 power cos x. Now you observe that one. You know very well sin x. Mod sin x means, once you observe that one, the mod sin x graph below the x axis you never get that one. Why? Because all positive values only. So, whatever you observe the sin x graph, whatever the below the x axis you will get, that you pick up to the upwards only. You will get the sin x graph like mountains. You observe that one, sin x graph like mountains. This is a mountain, this is a mountain, this is a mountain, like that you are getting. So, here I am mentioning that this is sin x graph. Modulus of sin x graph is this one only. Now, this is nothing but, you see that one, 2 to the power of cos x. 2 to the power of cos x range also you know very well, -1 to +1 only. Now, you see cos 2 pi. Cos 2 pi is nothing but 1. So, 2 power 1, the maximum value where you are getting once you observe this one here only, 2. And again also 2 power cos 0 degrees. Cos 0 degrees is 1, 2 power 1 here also you are getting, isn't it or not? Here also you are getting. Again minus 2 pi, cos of minus 2 pi is cos 2 pi, that is also 1, here you are getting like that. Okay now. Now, you observe the things and pi by 2's, where you are getting that pi by 2's and minus pi by 2, you can mention that one. Here you see 0, pi by 2, pi, 2 pi, minus pi by 2, minus pi, minus 2 pi. Now, just I put one arrow mark for the mod sin x graph only, like mountains you are getting. This 2 to the power of cos x also, you will not get that 2 to the power of cos x below the x axis only. Here like that, already we mentioned like that, we are getting like that. Now, the number of solutions is nothing but number of points of intersection. Now, you see, once already marked things are there, once you observe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 solutions are there. Where they are intersecting, if you practice very well these graphs, then only where they are intersecting, at that points only you will get the solutions only. So, finding analytically that solutions is little bit difficult for some problems only. So, by using the graph only, easily you can make out that one. Otherwise, it is little bit difficult for you. So, that is what here the number of solutions once you observe that one. So, here the parent graph you know very well, mod sin x and mod sin x, and 2 to the power of cos x. How to draw the 2 to the power of cos x, you see that one. So, take the scale x axis and y axis like that only. After that, these things only 0, pi by 2, pi, 2 pi, minus 2 pi, like that only. All the things clearly you take that one. Here the number of point of intersections are nothing but number of solution. Here number of solutions, what you will get once you observe that one, number of solutions are nothing but, how many are there? 8 are there. So, 1, 4, 3, 8, this is the right answer. Let us move to the next question. The number of points of intersection of the two curves y equal to 2 sin x and y equal to 5x square plus 2x plus 3. Now, you know very well y equal to 2 sin x, y equal to sin x graph you know, sin x range is -1 less than or equal to sin x less than or equal to 1. 2 sin x means where you will get easily you can pick up that one. Now, this quadratic equation once I will check that one. Now, quadratic equation y equal to 5x square plus 2x plus 3. Now, this implies y is equal to what you will get? I will take 5 common from this one. What you will get once you check this one? X square plus 2 by 5 x plus 3 by 5 only. Now, I want to make this into the perfect square only. X square plus 2ab means 2 into 1 by 5 x is there. 2 into 1 by 5 x there means what is that? 5 into x square. Now, plus, see, 5 into x square plus 2 by 5 x. 2 by 5 x I am writing as it is. Here I am taking that, nothing but 1 by 5 is the AB, B value is 1 by 5, 2AB, x I am considering it as A, B is 1 by 5. But we are not having B square, that is 1 by 25 is not there, plus 1 by 25 minus 1 by 25. Okay, na? Plus 3 by 5 I am writing. Plus 3 by 5. Why? Because that remaining 3 by 5 as it is. I added 1 by 25 and minus 1 by 25. Now, once you observe this one, what thing you will get, we will check. Y equal to individual terms I am writing. First three terms. First three terms means what is that? A square plus 2ab plus b square only. That is nothing but x plus 1 by 5 whole square. After that, I expand that one. 5 into minus 1 by 25, you will get, that is nothing but minus 1 by 5. That is nothing but minus 1 by 5. 5 into 3 by 5 is nothing but plus 3 only. I will write plus 3. Now, that is implies what you will get once you observe that one. Y equal to 5 into x plus 1 by 5 whole square only. Minus 1 by 5 plus 3. So, what you will get? 15 minus 1. LCM is 5 only. Minus 1 plus 15. So, that is what you will get. That is plus 14 by 5 you will get. Why? Because minus 1 plus 15 will become 14 by 5. What is 14 by 5? Some 2 point, what you will get? 5, 2 is 10 you will get. 40, 2.8 you will get. Around 2.8. So, that is 14 by 5 is nearly what is that? 2.8. At that one. See, if x equal to minus 1 by 5, if you take x equal to minus 1 by 5 means this value will become 0 only you will get. This value will become 0 only. X equal to minus 1 by 5, if you put what you will get? This 1 by 5 minus 1 by 5, 0. This value 14 by 5 is the minimum value you will get. Why? Because this is the perfect square only. The perfect square, the minimum value you will get 0. So, totally y minimum value what you will get? 14 by 5, that is at 2.8, around 2.8 you will get. Now, in this one 2 sin x, the maximum value of sin x is what you will get? Minus 1 less than or equal to sin x is less than or equal to 1 only. If you multiply with 2 also, minus 2 less than or equal to 2 sin x less than or equal to 2 only you will get. So, that is what will happen? This is 2.8. Let us see the graph only. Now, you see this graph. This is x axis, y axis. Clearly, this is x axis, this one is y axis we are taking. Now, complete, this one is y axis, here I am writing. Now, you see that one. Now, the coefficient of x square, is it positive or negative? Once you check this one. That is a equal to 5. A equal to 5 we are getting. Now, this is delta you can verify. The b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac means ax square plus bx plus c. B square is 4. B square minus 4ac, we will check that one. That is b square is 4 minus 4ac, 4 into a is nothing but what is that? 5. That is nothing but 5 into c is nothing but what? 3. B square minus 4ac. 4 5 is 23 is 60. 4 minus 60, is it positive quantity or negative quantity? That only required, not the number. So, that is what delta what we are getting? Less than 0 we are getting. Delta less than 0 we are getting. Here you observe the point ax square plus bx plus c. In this one, the discriminant delta less than 0. The coefficient of that x square, that is a, is positive only, a is greater than 0. Then the curve should be above the x axis, that is open to upwards. It is open to upwards and the curve should be above the x axis only. Now, where it is cutting? Some 2.8 here only. Some 2.8 here it is cutting. So, 2.8 is that one. Now, here y equal to 2 sin x means you see the maximum value. Here 2, here 2, here minus 2, minus 2, here you see minus 2, here minus 2, is it clear? Here 2, here also 2, means what is that? Approximately we are taking that one. So, that is what? This is nothing but the maximum value 2 only we are getting. but here it is cutting where the graph 2.8 something like that. So, one graph is away the other graph. One graph is away the other graph means there is no intersections of these two graphs only. Why? Because one function y equal to 2 sin x, y equal to 5x square plus 2x plus 3 we are considering. So, that is what one graph is away the other graph only. That is what the number of solutions are 0, that only. Now, first option 0, second option 1, third option 2, fourth option infinite only. Not cutting these two graphs, that is what number of solutions 0. Let us move to the next question. If m and n is greater than m, you observe that one, n should be greater than m, are positive integers, that also you concentrate very well, that are positive integers. The number of solutions of the equation n into mod sin x, that is equal to m into mod cos x. Mod sin x you know very well, like mountains it is coming, like mountains you are getting, that is passing through the origin only. Now, this is also like that only, m into mod cos x, but cos x not passing through the origin. Cos x not passing through the origin. Let us discuss about the graph. Now, you observe that one, I will write that one. One function is y equal to n into mod sin x only, n into mod sin x. Other function is y equal to m into mod cos x only, but this is in where closed interval 0 to 2 pi only we have to get. Now, for example, we cannot consider n should be, you remember that one always, n is greater than m, n is greater than m you will get. So, you know very well the graph of the 0 to 2 pi, we can pick up the graph of sin x and also mod sin x and also mod cos x only. Let us discuss about that one. You concentrate very well, this n should be greater than m only. Now, you observe that one. Just you see the graph of that one. Now, you see 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. This is x axis, y axis. This is 0 only. N is greater than m. Here I am taking m, here I am taking m. Now, if x equal to 0, n into sin 0, 0, that is 0, here only you are getting, here only you are getting. Now, x equal to pi by 2, n into mod sin pi by 2, sin pi by 2 is 1, n into 1, here you are getting n only, here you are getting n only, n means here only you are getting, is it clear or not? So, n is always greater than m was given, m is here only. Now, sin pi 0, here you are getting, sin 3 pi by 2, but modulus is there, that is what you will get 1 only, 1 into n, again here n only. So, you just you see the arrow, n into mod sin x is that graph only. Now, let us go to the n into mod cos x. See, this is m only, not n. So, just this is not n, this is m into, I will write that one, that is y equal to m into mod cos x. You correct this one, this is not n, that is m only, m into mod, m is here only, cos 0 is 1, cos 0 is 1 means m into 1, where you will get this one, cos 90 0 you will get here only, cos pi, but that is modulus only, that cos pi is nothing but minus 1, modulus means positive 1 only, m into 1 m only, here m you will get, 3 pi by 2 0 only, again 2 pi, that is cos 2 pi is nothing but what is that 1 into m, you will get m only, here only you will get. So, just you observe that one, 0 to 2 pi only they are mentioning, closed 0 to 2 pi, once you observe that one, the number of solutions we require, the number of solutions is nothing but number of points of intersection only. Now, you see here one point of intersection we got, here one point of intersection we got, I am writing this one, 1, 2, here you will get 1, 3, here you will get 1, you will get that one. How many solutions are there once you observe that one? The number of solutions are nothing but 4 only. So, you see m, n, mn and 4. m, n, mn and 4. So, this 4 is the right answer. 4 solutions we are getting. Now, practice very well these graphs, sin x, cos x graph only. Everywhere you get like that only, parent graphs. If you learn perfectly, other graphs easily you can convey. Let us move to the next question. If the solution of theta of cos p theta plus cos q theta equal to 0, p is greater than q is greater than 0 or in AP. P is greater than q is greater than 0 or in AP. Then the numerically smallest common difference of AP is what? Numerically smallest common difference of AP is what? Now, once we will check this one. Now, what was the given equation once we observe that one? Cos p theta plus cos q theta that is equal to 0. This is nothing but cos c plus cos d. Cos c plus cos d is nothing but 2 cos c plus d by 2. P theta plus q theta by 2, that is nothing but p plus q into theta by 2. Now, 2 cos p plus q into theta by 2. Why? Because p theta plus q theta means theta is common. Now, once you observe that one, p plus q into theta by 2, 2 cos c plus d by 2, cos c minus d by 2. Cos c minus d by 2 means p theta minus q theta means p minus q into theta by 2, that is equal to 0. You can cancel this 2, positive number you can cancel, AB equal to 0, either A equal to 0 or B equal to 0. You can consider the 2 general solutions, but you see the options all p plus q things are there. P plus q things are there. You can consider cos of p plus q into theta by 2 is equal to 0 one case. Other case is cos of p minus q into theta by 2 equal to 0 other case. This is not required according to the options once you check that one. That is also important to save the time also. Now, here I will write cos of p plus q into theta by 2, that is equal to 0. Cos theta equal to 0, general solution theta equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, where n belongs to z. Now, here I am writing that one, cos theta equal to 0, theta equal to p plus q into theta by 2 equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. This is the general solution where n belongs to z. Where n belongs to z only. Now, you observe that one, these two will be get cancelled. Now, I required theta only. Now, what things you will get once you check this one? Theta equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by p plus q. 2n plus 1 into p, 2n plus 1 into pi, that one. To n plus 1 into pi by this p plus q will come into the denominator. Now, p plus q. Now, you observe that one. We will pick up the values, n belongs to where? Z only. Now, I will pick up n equal to 0, 1, 2 like that only. Now, smallest common difference is required. P and q also greater than 0 they are given. P is greater than q is greater than 0 was given. Now, we observe that one, n equal to 0 I will put. Now, 2n plus 1 into pi, 2n plus 1 into pi by p plus q, that is implies if n equal to 0 what will happen? N equal to 0 you will get this is nothing but pi by p plus q. Pi by p plus q. N equal to 1, what you will get? 3 pi by p plus q. N equal to 2, what will happen? N equal to 2, that is nothing but 5 pi by p plus q. Like that, negative integers also you can pick up. N belongs to Z only. But common difference they are asking, you can find directly by this one. Common difference means what is that? Here n equal to 0, n equal to 1. 3 pi by p plus q minus pi by p plus q. Or 5 pi by p plus a. These are in AP. These are in AP means what is that? In AP, ABC are in AP, there will be common difference, that is denoted by D only. Now, pi by p plus q, 3 pi by p plus q, 5 pi by p plus q. Now, common difference that is D equal to what you will get. You can pick up these two things for n equal to 0, n equal to 1. 3 pi by p plus q minus pi by p plus q. You will get one doubt, why can't we substitute that negative? You can substitute negatives also, nothing will happen. Now, why? Because n belongs to Z we wrote, n belongs to Z we wrote, you can substitute, no problem. But you observe that one, that p is greater than q is greater than 0. That condition you have to concentrate very well. P is greater than q is greater than 0 only. That thing you have to observe properly. So, D equal to, so the conditions n belongs to Z is there, according to the given conditions also we have to verify that. So, P is greater than Q is greater than 0, D equal to 3 pi by P plus Q minus pi by P plus Q. So, D is equal to, D is the common difference, D is the common difference, 3 pi minus pi, denominator is same only, that is nothing but 2 pi by, that is P plus Q you will get. Once you observe that one, pi by p plus q, 2 pi by p plus q, pi by 2 into p plus q, 1 by p plus q. You can observe that one, you can save the time also while writing the JEE mains examination also. So, unnecessary things you can avoid, isn't it or not? So, that is what here we required this only, D equal to 2 pi by p plus q, this is a common difference only. Once you observe that one, 2 pi by p plus q, this is the right answer only. Let us move to the next question. The number of solutions of sin x equal to mod x by 10. Already we did sin x equal to x by 10, like that mod x by 10. Mod x means what you will get, below the x axis you never get the curve only. Mod x by 10 means what you will get, above the x axis only you will get. But sin x you will get the, as usual, that is a parent graph, you know very well. Now, once you observe that one. Now, the number of solutions we require, first function we are writing y equal to sin x only, other function y equal to mod x by 10, mod x by 10 only. Now, once you observe this one, you see this one, 0, 0, 2 pi, here minus 2 pi you are getting. Now, after 3 pi you will get, if I am taking this is 3 pi, this is minus 3 pi, this is x axis, this is y axis. Now, once you observe that one, sin x graph, sin x range is minus 1 less than or equal to sin x less than or equal to 1 only. The minimum value of sin x you see minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 here like that. Sin x maximum value where it is 1 only. Now, you observe that one, mod x by 10 is nothing but, modulus is always positive only you will get. So, that is what above the x axis only we are getting that blue line only, it is a straight line only. Now, minus 10, just you substitute that 10 by 10, that is 1, 10 by 10, where you will get 10? 10 means more than 3 pi only, more than 3 pi, 3 pi is, 3 pi is nothing but 3.1416 into 3, 9 point something you will get, 10 means here after this one only you will get. So, where it is cutting, that is at 1 only, here only you are getting. Here minus 10 means what is that, you can extend this one, you can extend this one, minus 10 somewhere you will get here, that at 1 only it is cutting only. So, that is what, by seeing this graph, the number of solutions we are going to find, where it is cutting, straight line like this only and like this one, and also it is passing through the origin. Why? Because like y equal to mx model, y equal to mx model. So, that is what, it is passing through the origin only. The number of point of intersections, once you observe that one, here one point is there, here the second point, here the third point, okay, here the fourth point, here the fifth point, here the sixth point. You observe that one. How many points you are getting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, the number of solutions, first option 4, second option 6, third option 8, fourth option none of these. So, clearly it is C. So, clearly we are seeing that the number of solutions are completely 6 only. Now, solutions are how many are there? 6 solutions are there. Which option is correct? This option is correct only. Number of solutions are 6. Now, let us move to the next question. Total number of solutions of the equation 3x plus 2 tan x equal to 5 pi by 2 in x belongs to closed interval 0 to 2 pi is equal to what? Now, once you observe this one, 3x plus 2 tan x. Now, you see 3x plus 2 tan x, that is equal to 5 pi by 2. We will do the rearrangement of this equation. The rearrangement of equation is nothing but 2 tan x is equal to 5 pi by 2 minus 3x only. Did you observe that one? 2 tan x equal to 5 pi by 2 minus 3x I am writing. Then after what I am writing, I will write only tan x only. Tan x is equal to, I will take this to that side. That will become 5 pi by 4 minus 3x by 2. Tan x equal to 5 pi by 4 minus 3x by 2. Just you observe this one. This is 2 functions we are getting. That is the parent graph, you know very well, tan x. Now, I will write clearly. One function is y equal to tan x. You know very well the tan x graph. And also another function is y equal to, this is nothing but minus 3x by 2 plus 5 pi by 4. Just you observe that one, y equal to mx plus c. It is a straight line, you know very well, y equal to mx plus c is a straight line. Now, 2 graphs we have to draw. By that, the number of point of intersections we can pick up. So, then you will get the number of solutions only. Let us move to the next part only. Now, you see, clearly it is tan x graph 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. Why that dotted line? Once you observe that one, tan 90 is undefined. That is dotted line you are getting. Is it clear or not? Now, this dotted line you observe that one, that is here another dotted line here 3 pi by 2, odd multiple of pi by 2 you observe that one, odd multiple of pi by 2, tan x is not defined only. Now, tan 0 is 0 you will get, here that green curve you are getting like that, and also here you are getting like this one, here you are getting like this. This is a tan x graph, standard graph of tan x. Now, y equal to mx plus c. The line you can write, you can draw like that only, y equal to mx plus c graph, how you are getting once you observe that. You know very well the straight line, drawing straight lines you know very well. So, just you observe that one, plot the points and also you draw that one. So, you will get like this only. Just where the straight line is cutting, that is the most important. Where the straight line is cutting, already we are having that one. So, the number of points, how many are there once you observe that one? 1, here 2 and 3. See, here the just it is moved to that side, that block mark is moved to that side. Actually, here this is the intersection actually. Now, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So, that is what the number of solutions are, how many are there? The line cutting the tan x graph in 3 points only. The number of solutions is nothing but the number of point of intersections only. So, solutions are how many solutions are there once you observe that one? That is 3 solutions. Clearly 3 solutions. 1, 2, 3. So, make sure to draw the graph by practicing only, then only you will get that one. So, here options once you observe that one 1, 2, 3, 4 only. Now, this 3 is the right answer. So, in 3 places only it is cutting only. So, that is what? That is a 3 is the right answer. Let us move to the next question. In the range of 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 5 pi, then equation 3 plus cos x whole square equal to 4 minus 2 sin power 8x has exactly 1 solution, exactly 3 solutions, exactly 5 solutions, infinite solutions are there. Now, you observe this one. I will write given that 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 5 pi. I will write the given equation, given that 3 plus cos x whole square equal to 4 minus 2 sin power 8x only. Now, you see the range of LHS. Range means that is minimum and maximum values of LHS. For example, cos x is equal to minus 1. Why? Because cos x range is minus 1 to plus 1 only. Cos x is minus 1, 3 minus 1, that is 2. 2 square is nothing but 4 you will get. If cos x is plus 1, that 3 plus 1, 4 square is nothing but 16 you will get. So, LHS lies between where to where once you observe 4 less than or equal to LHS less than or equal to 16. Why? Because this is the minimum value, this is the maximum value only. Now, then after I will write the RHS. Sin x is 0, this is only maximum. Okay. Now, minus sign is there, sin x is 0, this is only the maximum value, 4 is the maximum value. Now, sin x equal to 1, if I put 1, 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2, what you will get? That is 2 only. Now, 2 is less than or equal to RHS, less than or equal to the maximum value is 4. Now, I will call this is equation 1. When that equation 1 is possible, once you observe that one, 1 is possible, equation 1 is possible if LHS equal to RHS, that is equal to 4. LHS should be 4, RHS should be 4, then only it is satisfied, otherwise not. LHS equal to 4, RHS equal to 4, then only it will satisfy, otherwise not satisfied. Now, when you will get LHS 4, we have to pick up that one. LHS equal to 4 means at what values of x you will get 4 LHS. We will get x equal to pi. One solution pi I will take. Cos pi. Cos pi is nothing but minus 1, 3 minus 1 whole square, that is 4. Now, I will take 3 pi. 3 pi means cos 3 pi is nothing but cos 2 pi plus pi. Cos 2 pi plus pi means nothing but what you will get? Cos 360 plus theta, again cos pi minus 1, 3 minus 1 whole square, 4 you will get. Again, here you observe that one 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 5 pi. Again, another value I am taking 5 pi. Possible or not possible? Yes, 4 pi plus pi. Again cos pi minus 1, 3 minus 1 whole square, you will get 4 only. So, at pi, 3 pi, 5 pi possible. Now, you see here also, RHS should also 4 we have to get. So, sin pi 0, sin 3 pi 0, sin 5 pi 0, all zeros you are getting here. Only the thing is what you will get? 4 only. So, LHS equal to 4 we are getting, RHS equal to 4 we are getting. So, this equation holds when LHS equal to RHS equal to 4 only. So, that is what the number of solutions what you will get x equal to pi, 3 pi and 5 pi. So, how many solutions are there? 3 solutions are there, exactly 3 solutions. Once you observe the option, exactly 1 solution, exactly 3 solutions, exactly 5 solutions, infinite solution. So, exactly 3 solutions is correct answer. Exactly 3 solutions is right answer. Let us move to the next question. If step sin x plus root 2 step root 2 cos x is equal to minus 3, x belongs to closed 0 to 2 pi, step denotes the greatest integer function, then x belongs to what? Now, once you observe this one, first of all I will write the range of sin x only, minus 1 less than or equal to sin x less than or equal to 1. Sin x range is this only. Now, this implies step sin x is equal to what you will get, that is integer values. You can get minus 1, 0, 1 you will get. Step sin x values you will get like this one. Now, step sin x values are this one. Cos x range is also what you will get, minus 1 to plus 1. Now, root 2 cos x. Root 2 cos x means I will write that one. Minus root 2, multiplying with root 2, what you will get once you check, minus root 2 less than or equal to root 2 cos x less than or equal to root 2. Minus root 2 less than or equal to root 2 cos x is less than or equal to root 2 only. Actually, this is the thing only. But step root 2 cos x, what you will get, you see. Step root 2 cos x values, what you will get once you observe that one. Step root 2 cos x values, minus 2, integers we can take, minus 1, 0, that is 1. These are the possible things only. Now, once you observe that one, the given equation holds when step sin x equal to minus 1 and step root 2 cos x equal to minus 2, then only that given equation possible, otherwise not possible. Now, I will write that one. Now, from that one what I will write, step sin x is equal to minus 1 I am taking. Now, step root 2 cos x, step root 2 cos x is equal to minus 2. Just you observe that one, minus 1 minus 2, that will become minus 3 only. Now, I will call this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Now, from equation 1 what will happen once you observe that one? From 1 you can write that sin x, step sin x is equal to minus 1. According to the step function definition we will write that one, minus 1 less than or equal to sin x less than 0, step function definition like that, n equal to minus 1, n plus 1 is 0 only. So, that is what step sin x is equal to n means, that is minus 1 only. Minus 1 less than or equal to sin x is less than 0. So, negative to 0 means sin x value, where you will get x belongs to pi to 2 pi you will get, x belongs to open interval pi to 2 pi you will get. Now, this is the from equation 1. From equation 2, step root 2 cos x equal to minus 2. Minus 2 means it lies between where to where, minus 2 and minus 1 we have to consider. N is minus 2, n plus 1 is minus 1 like that. Now, I will write that one. Minus 2 less than or equal to root 2 cos x is less than minus 1, step function value. Step root 2 cos x equal to minus 2 only. Now, I will take this root 2, that side I required cos x only. Now, this implies minus 2 by root 2 minus root 2 less than or equal to cos x less than or equal to minus 1 by root 2 only. But this cos x equal to this minus root 2 is not possible. So, that cos x minimum value what you will get, that is nothing but minus 1. So, minus 1 to plus 1, that cos x range. Now, minus 1 less than or equal to cos x, we are rearranging this. Minus 1 less than or equal to cos x less than minus 1 by root 2 only. This is possible. So, that is what what are the x values? Once we will check that one. Cos x equal to x belongs to, now once you observe this one, so the negative parts we have to get for the cos x only. X belongs to, that is 3 pi by 4 comma 5 pi by 4 only. 3 pi by 4 comma 5 pi by 4. Now you observe that one. So we got the two solutions. X belongs to 3 pi by 4, 5 pi by 4. Previously x belongs to pi comma 2 pi. Now I will draw the real line. According to the real line, the answer we will pick up. Now you see this one. Scale I am taking this side minus infinity, that side plus infinity only. Now here I am taking negative parts, I am not taking, we did not get that one. 0 pi by 4, after that pi by 2, 45, 90, after that 135 I will take, that is nothing but 3 pi by 4. Whatever we required, that only we will mention on the real line only. Now 45, 90, 135, after that this is 180. After that I will pick up the 225. 5 pi by 4 is nothing but 225. This is 5 pi by 4. After that what I will write means directly I will go for the 2 pi only. Now 2 pi, if you extend this one, you will get like that. Plus infinity goes there only. Plus infinity goes there only. Now first answer, first 3 pi by 4, 5 pi by 4. So where you get that 3 pi by 4, 5 pi by 4, once we will check that one. Now 3 pi by 4, 5 pi by 4. This is the one answer we got. Previously what we got, once you observe that one, previously we got pi to 2 pi. Now pi to 2 pi means, you see this one, pi to 2 pi. Where is pi? This is pi, this is 2 pi. Now you observe that one. The red line and blue line, the common area we are going to pick up. Red start here 3 pi by 4, blue start here pi. Now red ends at 5 pi by 4 and that blue ends at 2 pi only. Now we will pick up that values only. Now we will shade that part, what is our required answer once you observe that one, that is pi to 5 pi by 4 only. Now you observe that one, pi to 5 pi by 4. So this shaded part is the right answer only. Shaded part is the right answer. Now x belongs to, what is the answer once I will write that one. So x belongs to, I am changing the color, why? Because you can concentrate very well like that only. Now x belongs to, the shaded part is the required answer. Shaded part is, what is that? X belongs to pi comma 5 pi by 4. Pi comma 5 pi by 4. Just you observe the options, which option is correct? Pi comma 5 pi by 4. This is the right answer. This is the end of the session. Thank you.